sa channel! So mga loves, we are here in our house and we are doing nothing, and it's currently umuulan today at may mga kulog, may mga kidlat. Do you like thunder and lightning?
No.
Oh, it's so scary. Look, Papa is here and Papa is actually
There's Mama just Popeye.
Papa is half naked. So, mga loves, we are going to do a informal review. Dahil hindi siya normally, wala tayong stand or wala tayong ano-ano. We are just doing a review na nakita namin sa Facebook page ni Dave. Dave is actually one of but our favorite YouTubers. Nasa Korea siya ngayon. Dave, hi! Shout out to Dave from Korea, but he's an American. And
I want the bill.
what? I don't know. So, we're going to check out if totoo bang masarap ang pancit canton na sinasabi ni Dave. Ang pancit canton na to ay ang Goreng. So, mi goreng is an instant noodles na galing siya ng Indonesia. And luckily, I saw mi goreng sa SM kasi na-intriga talaga ako sa mi goreng, mga loves. Kasi sabi nila, ito daw ay ang #1 the tastiest noodle in the world. Sabi in the world, ha? So, lucky me, Payless, at kung ano-anong Maggi noodles pa dyan. So, rest na lang muna kayo dahil mi goreng muna tayo. So, let's take, titingnan natin if halal pala sila, mga loves. Ayan o, halal. Ayun. So, Bunyat. So, we are going to, taste it. If, masarap ba talaga sa panlasa. Do you want to taste this noodle?
Yummy.
Not yet. So, Papay, are you gonna taste the noodle also? Okay. Mga loves, so nandito na kami sa kitchen. And, ayan na. Nagpapakulo na po tayo na water. Water. Okay, so, eto na. We're gonna prepare na the mi goreng.
That's the bowl. I got noodle.
Let's open this.
Be careful. Be careful, Nanay.
Yeah.
Be careful under. Be careful under. That's Be careful over my table. Wow, look at this.
Oh.
What is that?
So we've got the flavors right here.
What? Oh, spicy.
And this one. This is not spicy, I think. So we're gonna...
What is this? Another spicy one.
Okay, let's do this. So yung noodle niya, mga loves, is actually thicker than the usual mga Payless, mga Lucky Me, mga ganyan. And it's actually very, it's bigger lang. Not very big. Bigger siya than the regular noodles that we have here in the Philippines. So, I'm excited! Alright. Ito yung mga naipon namin. So, we're gonna put this in the bowl. And, imimix natin later.
This one.
Huh?
Ketchup.
No, it's not ketchup. So, eto na yung mga sauce. So, imimix na lang natin. And of course, eto na yung noodles. So, ang gagawin natin, yung the usual. Lalagay lang natin yung mixed noodles, yung noodles dito sa mix. Para i-mix natin sila. Adobo.
They're hot. That's very hot.
Yep. Right, and then we're gonna mix it.
Woohoo! I love it.
Oh, yeah. No, don't
Love
do that.
you.
Love you. See,
You are bigger.
bigger. I'm bigger in the camera.
Wow, very spicy.
It's not spicy.
What is the? I can't see the egg.
There's no egg here. The egg is only in the pictures. Okay, mga loves, so we are done with our noodles.
We're hot.
So our first tester is actually just right beside me. Baby Coco.
No, Ate Kongkong.
Okay, let's let Ate Kongkong taste it, okay? Yeah, Ate Kongkong. Taste it, Ate Kongkong.
I want the small one. I want the big one.
Okay, blow it. Tell me honestly.
Mama.
Are you sure it's yummy? One more. You like it? Okay. You like it? You like it?
Taste that.
Okay, let's go ahead and let Papay taste it first, okay? Okay, let's have it. Papay! Bagay ito sa mga nagdodota. Alright, be honest ha. Be honest. Be honest.
I want the big one.
Lami kayo? Tarong ba? Wow! Ano? Now it's my turn to taste it. You see?
Yummy?
Yummy, but not really, yung ina-expect ko na yummy. But yeah, it is yummy. Pero siguro I expect too much. I think I expect too much na super yummy siya.
I want the small one. I want
Kaya
the big
siguro,
one.
alam niyo yung pelikula na sabi nila maganda yung story, pero pag pinanood niya na hindi pala masyadong ganun, so hindi ako na-satisfy. Siguro over-expect lang talaga ako. But, inamin natin talaga siya. Meron siyang spiciness, sweetness. Hindi siya kagaya ng Lucky Me. Hindi siya kagaya ng mga Maggi or anything else. Hindi siya kagaya ng yakisoba. But, yeah, definitely. For 14 pesos na instant noodles, so okay na siya.
Oh no!
Alright, so mga loves, if you like this video, if you want us to... Yes, I know. So if you want us to review a lot of mga food or mga kahit ano pa i-review nyo, please comment below kung anong gusto nyo ipa-review nyo sa amin. And also, if you like this video, please hit like. And sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell button para ma-notify kayo ng aking mga next videos. So, subscribe below. So, thank you so much mga loves for joining us today and we love you! Bye-bye!
We love it, my loves. And we have our, kanina, ulam. And ito yun. And ito yun. Yes, later. Eat na. Yep, I would put that one. I put for your water later. Do you love it? Wow. Wow. Very big. So, alam niyo naman yung mga pinag-gusto talaga natin together with rice, diba? And ito yung kanina yung manok namin kanina, so ito yung pinukuran. Nasasaw namin dyan. Chicken! Masarap siya mga labs, yung noodles. Hindi siya kagaya ng mga Lucky Me na lasa. Iba yung lasa niya. Pero walang na-over-expect. Expectation lang talagang na-over, parang sobrang masarap. But definitely mas masarap siya kasi gumawa pancit canton sa Pilipinas.